Good afternoon. My name is Alfred. I am your personal health care.
Okay, Alfred, tell me some jokes.
Why do sin and tan work? Just cause.
Okay, Alfred, tell me the time.
Sir, the time is 16:35:33.
Alfred, play music. Alfred, send email to Rohit.
What should I say?
Hello, Rohit.
Email has been sent.
Open app. Alfred, open app.
Opening Opera GX.
Open code. Alfred, open code.
Okay.
Open Google. Open Google.
Sir, what should I search on Google?
Avengers Endgame.
Okay.
Activate Alpha.
Alpha is activated. Please tell me what you want to know.
How to make cake.
Make a simple chocolate cake. 1. Preheat oven. 2. Place all ingredients in a bowl. 3. Beat with an electric beater until the mixture is smooth. 4. Pour into grease and base-lined, baking paper on the bottom, cake tin. 5. Bake for approximately 40 minutes at 325 degrees Fahrenheit 160 degrees Celsius or until cooked when tested. 6. Add frosting, sprinkles, and any other sorts of decoration. 7. Place the mixing bowl out on the bench. 8. Pour the oil into the mixing bowl. 9. Add the castor/superfine sugar to the oil. 10. Mix to combine. 11. Add the cocoa, flour, and baking powder to a separate mixing bowl. 12. Crack the eggs into the oil mixture. 13. Grease or line the baking pan/tin. 14. Bake for half an hour or until a toothpick inserted into the cake comes out clean. 15. Remove from the oven using oven mitts.
Wikipedia of tiger.
Searching Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia, the tiger, Panthera tigris, is the largest living cat species and a member of the genus Panthera. It is most recognizable for its dark vertical stripes on orange fur with a white underside.
Tell me some jokes.
Child, Dad, why does the sun rise in the east and set in the west? Dad, son, it's working, don't touch it.
Close, Alfred.
Thanks for using me, sir. Have a nice day.